Hello, hello. This is an elephant rug. I can buy it in Walmart, IKEA, Rooms to Go, all those areas. This is an area rug made from a recycled bottle. Synthetic, color will never run, stain resistant, excellent quality for dog owner. Excellent. Because their dog can throw up, their dog can pee-pee. It will never made a stain. Unless you put on it the barbecue sauce from McDonald's, yes, you're going to have a permanent stain. Why? Because this acidic, this very strong sauce that you put it on your food is contains so much dye and strong acid, you will having a permanent stain. However, a normal house will never have to worry about this rug with the stain. So the question is, can I let my carpet cleaner shampoo my rug? Yes. Can he use a scrubber on it? Yes. Can he use a steam cleaner, a dry cleaner? Yes. So when he cleaning this rug, can I let him also clean my grandma Oriental rug? Then he's 110 years old? No. Absolutely no. Don't make this mistake. Because inexperienced carpet cleaner will shampoo this rug exactly the same way how they shampoo wall-to-wall carpet. And because this rug made with a vegetable dye, the color will run. And because it's using all the scrubber, centrifuge machine, all the carpet cleaner equipment, they will ruin the nape, the shape of the rug. For this reason, never let a carpet cleaner clean your beautiful wool rug. Wool rug, even if this rug is a Kazakhstan machine made, is a stain resistant, cannot be cleaned by ordinary carpet cleaner because they cannot guarantee the removal of the urine odor. My name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of the PetPeePee company. I specialize in cleaning and removing dog and cat's urine odor from high quality Oriental rug and from elephant rug. And I guarantee the odor removal completely, permanently, without covering up with a deodorizer. So what you should know about Oriental rug and area rug. Area rug made of elephant synthetic material can be cleaned by ordinary carpet cleaner because it's the same material as a restaurant floor. However, this beautiful Turkish rug, look how vivid and bright is the color because it's made with a vegetable dye. PetPeePee. We provide nationwide service for cleaning high quality Oriental rug. Thank you for watching the PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.